Hi everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how to fill out the thoughts and feelings diary sheets. So whenever you do notice a change in your mood this week, make a note of what has happened using these diary sheets so you can put kind of the situation that you're in. So we could put out for lunch with friend, um, what you were doing, who you were with, those kind of things. Note down anything that was going through your mind at the time. So thoughts could be, I look silly, or are people looking at me? They think I'm stupid. So anything that's going on in our heads, basically. As a result of the thoughts, we can write an emotion of how this thought's made us feel. Okay, so the emotion attached onto that thought is probably maybe anxious. It's an emotion. Sad. I'm going to put probably distressed. Okay, so when we're thinking about feelings, they're normally the one word emotions. Okay, and behaviour of what I did. So I left and home. Okay. Sat, worried about it for 2 hours. Don't home, didn't cook, didn't speak to anyone for days. Um, Irritable. Okay, so any behaviours about how you cope with that. So as you can see here, we've got a bit of a pattern emerging. So we've got a situation, the thoughts you had about that situation, what was going on through your mind, the feelings as a result of those thoughts. Okay, so all our thoughts that we have are linked with an emotion. Okay, and note down what you did to cope, what the behaviours were or the consequences were of that. Okay, so I'll do one more example. So we can say school run, walking to school with children. Okay. Um, so thoughts could be, am I a bad parent? Other people do not want to speak to me. So as you can see, there's some thoughts there. As a result of those thoughts, we can be anxious, we can be sad, we can be scared. Okay, so there's some of the emotions there as well. And how did we cope with that? So I rushed and dropped the children off. I didn't speak to anyone. I kept my headphones in to avoid others talking to me. I wore a hood up to avoid eye contact. Um, I went a different route to avoid other parents. Okay. So as you can see here, so the situation is going to school. And this has, triggered some thoughts. Am I a bad parent? Other people don't want to speak to me. Anxious, sad, scared. And then obviously some of the behaviours there that we did to help cope with that. So in CBT, we're always looking for the cognitions, which are the thoughts, and the emotions, okay, which are the feelings, normally those one word emotions, and then the behaviours or the consequences or the actions, okay, what we do to try and cope. And we'll talk a bit more about the behaviours um, next time. At the minute, it's just really picking up how we are coping with things, okay? All right. So, any other questions, feel free to message me through the messaging part of the system, and I'll try and answer them best I can. But for now, when we're in a situation or you're noticing a change in your mood, try and write these things down and we'll try and make some links between what's going on for you.